Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, I will give you instructions on how to get rid of the application called Simple Malware Protector. First of all, I want to mention that Simple Malware Protector is not a virus, it's not a malware. However, several security companies classify Simple Malware Protector as a potentially unwanted program. So it doesn't really damage your computer. Um, Visually, it says that it tries to protect your computer from malware. However, the problem with such potentially unwanted programs is that they are often installed through being bundled with some free applications. In other words, it is quite likely that people download and install programs like Simple Malware Protector pretty unintentionally. So they might install some free utility, for instance, some video player or some driver or some other MP3 player, for instance, and then suddenly realize that that installer of free program was also integrated with some other programs. And that's the most typical way how applications like Simple Malware Protector are installed. The program claims that by installing its version you will be able to defend your system from all traces of malware, to secure your computer from malware threats. So it even offers you to implement some customized scans to clean your system from other possible threats and so on. However, my personal experience of dealing with this application is that it essentially slows down the system performance. I tried to update it, and the update process lasts for several seconds, which in my opinion is very long. So my strong recommendation is that you do not tolerate this application, and I also want to mention that several security websites claim that it reports some threats that are not real. So I would strongly recommend you to uninstall this application from your system. You may go to the control panel of your computer and then go to programs and select uninstall a program. Find this simple malware protector, right click on it and uninstall the application. So that is as simple as it can be. Also, I would recommend you to double check your computer and its safety with the application named Combo Cleaner. If you download Combo Cleaner, it's your choice. Combo Cleaner has never been bundled with any other programs. Combo Cleaner can help you to fix other computer-related problems, browser-related issues. You may download it on the page combocleaner.com. Then, after the application is downloaded and installed, start it and begin scanning of your system with this tool to be sure that it is free of any other hidden threats. After you successfully download and install the software, you'll have three scan types to choose from. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. So you'll click on Start Scan button, and then you'll find the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning, by the way, will take, well, at least several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner will give you the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scan. It will show you the type of threat and the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. And by the way, you'll be able to remove each specific threat manually. However, Combo Cleaner gives you the best way to deal with such threats. You may remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the application. Premium version of the software gives you the chance to use features like anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with premium version you will be protected from all sorts of contemporary threats, including ransomware, This way your data will be constantly protected, and you may not worry about the safety of your private information, of your important files, pictures, music, and other information you store on your computer. So consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner to make sure your system is free of all kinds of current infections.